Hey campers! For our older kids, we have a really cool STEM experiment that I think you guys will have a lot of fun with, and you can play around with it too with your own designs. So we're going to make a solar oven. Now, I kind of set it up already myself, and I'm just going to walk you through how I did it, and you can do it on your own at home. So you need an empty pizza box, or any kind of cardboard box that has the same general shape. And all on the inside, you're going to cover it with tin foil. So I didn't do the sides, but make sure that you get everywhere that there's open space. So all the sides, the little flaps, everywhere on the interior, you need to make sure that you have the tin foil. That's what's going to generate your heat with the sunlight. You're also going to cut a flap out on the top part of the box. And this you're also going to cover with tin foil, because this is where the sun is going to hit and then reflect downward onto whatever food or snack you want to make. After you have the tin foil, you're going to take some cling wrap and you're going to put it on the interior here. I'm not sure if it's showing up on camera, but you want to make sure that it covers the hole that you made when you cut out the flap. This is going to make sure that your food's kind of protected and it doesn't get any bugs or anything in it when you set it outside with the sun. So, once you have all the tin foil and you have the cling wrap assembled, you're going to put whatever food you want to make, whether it's you want to make some s'mores or want to try to make your own pizza. You're going to put it inside on a paper plate. You're going to open up the flap, and you're going to use either a wooden ruler or a wooden dowel rod, anything you have, to prop up the top. And then you're going to set that outside and let your food cook. Now, keep in mind that since it's not a regular oven, it's probably going to take longer for your food to cook. So whatever it says the normal cook time is, it's probably going to be a little bit longer than that. Also, when you take your food out, because of the tin foil, it is going to be really hot. So either ask a parent or an older sibling to help you, or just be really careful when you take your food out, because it is going to be pretty hot. But we want to see what you can make, and I think it's a pretty cool design. So you can decorate your box, you can do whatever you want with it, but have fun with it, and we want to see what you can make.